Residents of Umroi, Madan have countered allegations by village leaders regarding the four-lane road project from Umyam to Malidor. CL Mashering and T. Marbanyang clarified that their concerns are not against development but against potential damage to their sole drinking water source. They criticized the headman and executive members for failing to consult villagers before submitting a petition to the Ribhoi Deputy Commissioner. The residents demand adjustments to the road alignment to avoid affecting their water source, or they will escalate their protests.
Yang Madan dem bagi konteks committee akan syai halor dan julit jor dan pajban nong hakabai dei bat kasurok furlin hakaba kan kata ya katelum kaba kasnong Umroi Madan kaba ampati kaba nakalian kejongi wa bantu ya kajungkeli kalomba habaki ong ba dei mangi kinong snong sibayalam bakla yo pat ba rengibut banbu pat ya kajungkeli kaba ong ba manu bayalam bakla yo pat ba haba nadu ka arfulai tarik unai November arja arfulai ilalit ujor sya deputy commissioner hakabai dei ban penting ria ya katai ka alignment furlin kaban ya nakatulog untuk
The Regional Cancer Center at Nigrim's